decided it's probably best that I do a Sunday vlog since I haven't posted a video. Except for the last video I posted was, oh, but my shop. I opened a shop, yeah. And I decided that I'm going to sit in here for a second against my bedroom wall because my dishwasher is running and it's really, really loud. We ended up having to go to Lowe's, and it's not something that we really wanted to do, but we've been wanting to make outdoor patio furniture, which is what my husband is currently working on right now. And we're like, well, we can go now since he's off today. We got all masked. I hate that word. Put our masks on and went out. And I kind of want to do a little rant of why I'm choosing to sit in here and talk because it's loud in there. I have a rant because of where I live at. I don't know if people are just extra dumb. I don't know, because I live in a place where people believe that this pandemic is fake, and they don't care that they're risking not only themselves but everybody else. And it's kind of irritating because me and my husband, we had our gloves on, and I mean, you've seen Allan. He is Filipino, and we unfortunately live in the South where people are stupid and they're ignorant, and they see us with our masks and our gloves on, and we get the most awful looks. And there was this one older couple, particularly this lady, and every single time we would walk by or walk down the aisle close to them, she was just like staring constantly, like as if we were fixing to rob her. I mean, there was other people in there with masks, but the non-masked people outweighed the mask. Like, I think I saw maybe 10 other people had masks. And I mean, like I said, we went to Lowe's, so it is the only store pretty much open that you can still go into here in town. So everybody's going there. A lot of them are older, and it just pisses me off that they're treating this like that. My husband and I followed the rules. We stayed back as much as we could. We let people pass. We turned our heads. We were already covered. And there were people there, I mean, hacking and coughing, and it was like, dude, go home. You don't even do it. And they didn't have a mask. They didn't have masks, they didn't have gloves. Majority of them didn't even have gloves. Some of them even if they had masks, they still didn't have gloves. And maybe we're just taking extra precautions, but we sanitize everything when we come home. We sanitize our phones. We sanitize, we wash and sanitize our hands, and we leave our masks in our car. It's so stupid to see people be so stupid. And I kept bringing it up to Allan, and he's just like, that's them. If they want to get sick, that's up to them. If they want to make their life worse, that's up to them. And he has this really great ability of being able to block everybody else out. I on the other hand do not. And I'm sitting there watching. I'm a people watcher, and I watch all of these people, and they're just sitting there staring like I said, it's older people, majority of the time, older couples. We're staring at us like as if we were going to do something. Dude, get over it. This is what we're supposed to be doing so we can get out of this, and you're not. You're making it worse. And I just wanted to go on here and talk about this little bit that happened, this rant that happened, but it really did irritate me, and it irritated me that people aren't taking it seriously. And I know it probably will never get back to normal, but they're making it harder, and it's stupid. So I don't understand why you guys, not you guys particularly, not you, but I'm talking to the people that are dumb here, don't want to do what you need to do. And I don't understand that. I don't understand at all. In the end, I don't think this is ever going to go away. No, I think it's going to be around for a while, just like the flu. But I think it's going to escalate once everything opens back up versus getting better, because our numbers aren't dropping. So there's my little rant. I have to go prepare food to grill. We're going to grill hamburgers and have hamburgers and chips. Well, they're going to have chips, so I'm just going to have a hamburger. And because I've already had bread today, and I don't need any more bread. I found these pretzel balls. They're delicious. And yeah, so we're going to do that. I'm going to probably film a little bit of Allan working on the outdoor couch and see how that goes. So this is, like I said, this is the Sunday vlog. These are the pretzels I was talking about. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but because of dishwasher, these are pretty dang good.
I can put the another bracket here in the middle.
Like another leg or?
Going down, yeah.
Yeah, we can do that. Looks good though. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, and you just have to paint it afterwards.
I know.
Well, sand it, the edge, and then...
You mean sand and...
I know we should have sanded beforehand, but I don't care.
Looks good. Oh, you did a lot of the sanding, what the kids did.
It's gonna be right here.
Okay.
So it's just gonna be same amount of wood.
Are we gonna turn that away when it is? Have the chair down here, the arm down here?
Yeah. Well, hold on. I built it wrong if that's the case.
No, you have that side here and then down that way.
I want to be facing this way.
I know.
Why would the L be like this? I want it to be L that way.
Oh, well then that would be fine too.
It's facing this way.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's a nice color.
You picked a nice color, huh? I like that. Ooh, that hair. It's good.
Just going over stuff that kids don't get.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go and finish this tomorrow. I've gotta go underneath and paint the bottom of it. Tomorrow's Monday, so I thought it was just gonna be a Sunday vlog. I keep saying vlog, but it's actually gonna be a Sunday, Monday. What are you doing, girls? I finished that. Got it all nice and painted. Well, not painted, stained, I guess. Whatever. I painted the stain on, so there. And then did another little top coat up here, trying to blend more of it in. Looks a lot better than it did earlier. Still not great, but we're not pro. You know, the Nordic satellite dish, I can't take it down because it's attached to the side of the house and I can't reach it. So it's gonna stay there until we get a ladder. Ooh, that looks real good. So, I know yesterday I was talking about the people at Lowe's, and it just kind of irked me, and I don't really remember all of what I said, but I just know that people are going to do what they're going to do, and this is still going to happen regardless, but people need to treat it like it is what it is. They need to treat it with caution. No, we're not going to be able to live our entire lives completely covered. Yes, the virus is still going to be here, but people need to be more aware of what's going on and not be so dumb. I keep seeing multiple people like, oh, this is Illuminati, oh, the government's controlling us, oh, this, oh, that. No, it's not that at all. It's something that seriously needs to be taken care of. On a lighter note, here's my dogs fighting. They're so mean to each other. And Ava is only 6 months old, I think. We think, because we kind of lost count because we don't know her birthday. Buttholes. Okay, so we're going into Lowe's again. It was going to be just a Monday, Monday vlog last time, but we ended up turning it into a, I guess, two-part weekend vlog because we are not done with our couch. We're going to try to finish our couch and table today, and I will hopefully get it all our lumber done and cut and put together. And you're really trying to sell our tiles. So, are you ready to roll?
Yes.
Oh yeah. You look like you definitely want my finger. Alright, let's go.
So this, so this is gonna go like this, right?
Well, I thought this one was gonna go here.
It's gonna go like this. So it's gonna be, is that fine like that?
So, what I thought, it's fine like that, but what I thought is that we were gonna put this one here, and
No,
that would be
this-
that L, and to have the arm at that end.
No, it's just,
That's what I thought.
what's wrong with this? I mean, you
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. I'm fine with that. Actually, that would work because then it can continue. This could connect to the back.
so this one right here, at least you can sit here and like lie down if you want to.
Yeah. Can you demonstrate lying down for me? Hi. Hi. Yo. Hi, the babies. Oh, hello, baby. So, what do you think so far?
Oh, I'm just ready for it to be painted.
Yeah. You liking it so far?
Huh?
Are we gonna go back and get another board though?
Probably.
So we're just gonna bolt these down and get another one and move that one over?
Correct the window.
Okay, cool. We decided those are too big of a gap
Well,
for our
it's
butts.
comfortable,
It's comfortable, but
but you wanted it fixed.
yeah, well, until we can get padding, which is very difficult to find right now. So, yay. Ava. Ava. Alright, so you happy with your couch and stuff?
A lot of work, yeah.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Are you very excited for it to be done now?
Yeah.
The only thing we have left to do is the cushions, which I can't find the freaking material for. So I'm going to see what I can find later on. That might be another, what do you call it? Another vlog. Maybe a DIY.
It's 90% done though.
Yeah, but it looks good and I'm happy. And now next is the lights after the material. So we're going to say bye.
Bye.
See you guys later.